Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation BO, which stands for bind off. It is the same thing as a cast off, and it is basically taking your life stitches off your needle in a way that secures them so that you can complete your project. And there are many ways of doing that, and some bind offs are stretchy, tubular, not stretchy, pretty stiff. There's so many variations out there, and you can experiment and see what works for you and what works for a particular project that you're making. But I'm going to show you the most basic bind off. It's not stretchy. It's very simple. This is the basic bind off that is out there. So you have your needles on your left hand needle, or your stitches on your left hand needle. You start off by knitting the first stitch, and then you knit the second stitch. And then what you do is you insert your needle into that first stitch that you knit and pass it over that second stitch and off the needle. So you do that again. Next stitch, the moment you have two stitches on your right hand needle, you take that stitch, that first stitch on the needle, over and off the right hand needle. And you just carry along doing that until you get to the very end. But let's say, because I don't want to take up all your time binding off these stitches, let's say this is my last stitch. I got to the end. What am I to do? I'm going to go ahead and break yarn. So I have a tail. Make sure it's long enough for your project. And I'm going to raise the stitch just a little to create a larger loop. And I'll put that tail into that loop and pull it. And this is what the bind off looks like. It kind of looks like a braid. It's not stretchy, but it is pretty tidy. So that is your basic bind off, and abbreviation BO bind off.